All right, guys, here we go. Wrong button there. Went back to the start screen. 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. 1 baser rookie, a Prizm, red and yellow. You guys are guessing to play on the last number. Parallel autos are possible, not guaranteed out of here. Should have 1 rookie silver in here as well. All right, here we go with pack number 1. Christian McCaffrey, Marlon Humphrey, McCaffrey on the hype, Joe Milton, Braylon Trice, Khalil Mack, Trey Benson. That's out of 44, 2 out of 44. We have the hype of DJ Moore, Brendan Rice, Malik Neighbors rookie. Shad White, for Warner, Marvin Harrison Jr., Devin Leary, Jerzon Newton. We got one more break left tonight. That is our Bowman Chrome Baseball PYT 651. Anthony Richardson, Joe Namath, Roma Dunze, Bo Nix, with McCaffrey, Kid, reporter card. Jonathan Allen, Amari Cooper, Yatu, Darius Robinson, Ray Davis rookies. That's Tyreek Hill, Chase McClellan, Roma Dunze, Jalen Polk, Will Reichert. Daniel Jones, Montez Sweat, Michael Penix, Will Shipley, Johnny Wilson. Dante Hall. We'll save this. That should be another red and yellow. We'll save it to the end. That should be the last numbered one. Save it for the end. Lenny Moore, Drake London, Will Levis, Roma Dunze, Jatavian Sanders. Romeo Dobbs, Tony Baselli, J.J. McCarthy, Prismatic, Caleb Williams, Brandon Fisk. Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Jonathan Taylor, Mason Smith, Devin Culp. There's Jared Goff, Jonathan Brooks. Ooh, we got a silver rookie auto. Jonathan Brooks, nice hit for the Panthers spot. Those not guaranteed in here. Drake May, Ricky Pearsall, Jamari Thrash, Kid Reporter card. All right, here's our last pack with our last numbered parallel. There's a Kid Reporter card off the back. Dante Hall will go off the back here. That's Dontez Walker, Malik Washington, Gene Daniels emergent, Dante Hall, and Brian Urlacher is the guess. 44 out of 40. Going to the Bears spot. Red and yellow, Brian Urlacher. Nice hit for the Bears spot. All right, let's top load and recap. Urlacher was the guest of this break. We got one more break left. That is our last of the 2025 Bowman breaks. This will be 25 Bowman Chrome PYT 651 coming up next. All right. We have the silver Joe Namath, silver Chase McClellan, rookie Tony Baselli, silver Trey Benson on the red and yellow out of 44. Byron Locker was the guest of the break out of 44. And Jonathan Brooks, silver rookie auto, one to the Panthers. We have some quarterback cards in here too. We'll top load.